everybody, it's Neil. I got this blue shirt. Look how thin this package is. It comes in a ridiculously vacuum-packed package. They must fit a million of them on the ship, and as soon as I open this up, it poofs out a little bit. It says, oh, this is the softest shirt ever. And this is made with a piece of paper. It's wrapped up in it. I got a size large, and this is blue, blue size large, and it is super duper soft. I don't know if you can see. This is what it looks like up front. It's kind of got a little bit of a, almost a slightly whitewashed look, I guess you could say. But it's like the Henley style with the buttons on it. Let me try this on here. And so I'm telling you now, I got a large, and I am about 5'10" and 190 pounds. So you can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like on somebody this size. So man, this is soft. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I found my new favorite shirt. I think I'm going to go ahead and order this in every color. But okay, so it's got the buttons up here to look nice. It's got a little pocket area here if you like pockets in your shirts. I'm usually not a huge fan of pockets, but this looks fine to me. And this is what it looks like here. It's a little bit long on there, so if you like ones that are, go half butt or so, you can bend over and it's not gonna come up right up on you, so that's nice. And it's, so what is it made of? Okay, it's made of 60% polyester, 35% viscose, whatever viscose is, and 5% elastine. So that's what it's made of. So this is a super soft one here. It's got a nice sleeve area here, so it's good. It's got a good fit to it. It's got a little bit of tightness to it. Once I lose another 5 or 6 pounds, this is gonna look even better on me. But I love this shirt. This is awesome. Okay, I haven't bought a shirt online that I really liked as much as this one yet. So this is very good. I love it. Thumbs up for sure.